Hi everyone, Stefan from CR Kennedy here. In this brief clip, we're going to look at how to change buckets. So from the 3D screen, as an excavator for our machine, of course, because we're changing buckets, you have the current bucket that's selected up in the corner here, bucket 1. From the screen, you don't need to go into 2D or anything, you can go straight into menu, just press the button in and out once. That takes you directly to the 2D screen. Then if you press the same menu button again, you have your bucket options. From here, it's simply using the up down arrow keys to change the bucket to what you would like. Once you've selected the bucket, and you can see I've changed to bucket 2, and we've selected bucket 2 up in the 2D as well, we exit or quit. Takes us straight back into the 3D screen, and as you can see up the top here, bucket 2 is shown. I'll just do that in reverse. So again, menu, menu, down arrow back to bucket 1, quit, and we're back to where we started. From here as well, you can select the actual bucket reference point that you want. So you can see here in the cross section, the little yellow cross represents the reference point as in the center of the bucket. By using the side arrow keys, I can change that. Now we're referencing the right side, and of course, if I go back the other way, the left side. Very important when you're using guidelines that you have the correct side selected for accuracy against that guideline. And that's how you change a bucket for the excavator system in Icon 3D software.